Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings, then scroll down and select here about phone. From the following list you need to find and select the version. Let's tap a couple of times on version, and as you can see you are now in a developer mode. So you can go back right now and open the additional settings. And here you can find developer options. Let's tap it. Here you can use, for example, OEM unlocking, so you can allow unlocking of bootloader right here. You can also here enable USB debugging. Tap OK if you would like to do it. And you can also enable view attribute inspection, select mock location app, and use other developer stuff. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.